In this video, we'll show you how to join a session step by step. There are multiple ways to join a session in Roombr. Let's explore each one. If you received an email invitation, simply click on the session link provided. It will direct you to Roombr, where you can log in and join the session. Alternatively, if the teacher shared the meeting link through another medium, you can click on the session link to join the session directly. You can also join a session directly from your Roombr dashboard. Simply click on the Join button next to the upcoming session. Or you can go to the Timetable menu, select the session you want to join, and click on the Join button. Once you click on the Join button, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to join the session, through your browser or the Roombr app. For the best user experience, we recommend using the Roombr app. If you don't have the app installed, you'll be prompted to download and install it. If you're joining through your browser, make sure to allow necessary permissions like camera and microphone access. From the settings, you can choose your microphone and camera, select the resolution for camera streaming, and enable adaptive bitrate for uninterrupted video streams. Once everything looks good, click on the Join button to join the session. And there you have it. You successfully joined the session on Roombr. Enjoy your session.
Roombr.